So this Komatsu 830 has been equipped with our ThermaStart Idle Management System. We can see our strobes flashing on both corners of the truck. That is also our siren assembly. So the strobes let us know that we are in ThermaStart mode and that the truck could start. The sirens will scream once the start is triggered for 40 seconds. And our strobe assemblies also have a siren in there. So that's that same movement. Now, this truck is off and we're currently monitoring battery voltage through our harness at the ignition. And back here, we have our temperature probe, which is right there on the side of the block here. So that's how we're capturing block temperature. And our system is going to make sure that we're going to get the engine up to 60 degrees Celsius. And then once it drops below 25 Celsius, we're going to trigger start again. Now on this harness assembly here, we have a temperature probe, which is just like the one that's on the block, except it's just hanging in the ambient air, and that is measuring our ambient temperature. Here we are in the cab of a Komatsu 830E the ThermaStart system can only be armed with the engine running and the vehicle in park. If the vehicle is not in park or the engine is not running, it will not be able to arm. So with the engine running and the vehicle in park, we're simply going to turn on our switch. It has confirmed that the engine is running and also that the vehicle is in park. Therefore, the siren outside is screaming at us, telling us to turn off the key. If we do not turn off the key, the system will fault out and the engine will just stay running. So if we go ahead and turn the key off, we're going to see our light turn solid green, our siren stops chirping, and now our system has entered into cool down mode for 60 seconds. It will run for 60 seconds and then it will shut off. It's going to stay off for a minimum of 20 minutes, after which it will be looking at battery voltage and block temp. If one of these get down below their low spec, we will start the alarm that you heard, the same siren, for 40 seconds. We will then start the truck and run it until the conditions are restored and then go back to sleep. So when returning to the vehicle, if our system is on and it's running in ThermaStart mode as it is now, we're just simply going to turn the key on, which will fault our system out. And then of course we have to turn our system off before we drive away. Now also, if our system, we're going to arm it again. Okay. So our system is now armed again. Okay. Now if I were to come up to this vehicle and I wanted to put it into drive, we're going to see that as soon as we do, our system is faulted out and the truck is shutting down. So we cannot move with it. So we simply can't drive away with it. So it's as simple as that.